Now it is time for an exercise. And in this particular exercise, we are actually going to create a CRM, a micro CRM. We're not going to replace Salesforce anytime soon, but it's going to be a micro CRM. And here is the specification for the CRM. It needs to have accounts. An account has a status, which might be lead, client, etc. Now the number of statuses needs to be extendable. And an account also belongs to a user. So we're going to be using our existing user database to associate accounts to users. The name of that field should be Key Account Manager. Contacts, we have a one-to-many relationship from accounts to contacts. So every single account can be a company. Acme, for instance, every single company has a list of contacts, might be John Doe, Jane Doe, etc., etc. That's how it belongs to an account. Then we need activities. Activities needs to be associated with one contact and one user. And also activities has type field, just like accounts has a status field. And this type field needs to be extendable, just the same way that status is for accounts. Then we need to have the ability to associate nodes with contacts. So we have one-to-many relationship from contacts to nodes. Each contact might have a node. This might be, for instance, loves his dog, etc. And then we need to have tasks that are associated with a user. And that's basically it. And a piece of advice before you start smashing your keyboard, writing Hyperlambda and Angular code out manually, you should be able to create a system in roughly an hour, just as a piece of advice. So my advice to you would be to use Magic and the code generator for everything they are worth. And then only afterwards, start manually editing your Hyperlambda and your Angular code. System has to be implemented in Hyperlambda, obviously, and it has to be implemented in Angular, obviously.